only the government, also the company, also the funds need to exchange the in the world with the 80% the exchange the goods and the service by the USD. Why? So let's see on the simulation where is our take profit positions. You can see structures and here's the Dow candles. And when we mix these things together in this candle you can see that this is a big candles, but the selling pressure also join into the market slightly. When you see on the tail, on the top of these candles, double patterns. And when you see the market have a structure like this, and also you see that here is our recent high, and at this time price also creates the pin bar candles very strong. It means that supply zone at this time also very strong. And for this case, we have the market change and price also go very strongly because a lot of the people are weak to selling at these levels. And one more note to you, a lot of seller push the market go down sharply. And on the start when price come into the strongest demand zone at the second times, you can see that at this time price hold at this level. 1, 2, 3, 4 just of the uptrend is higher high and higher low. For the downtrend is low of the 4 hours to retest and go down very strongly. And the second you can see that the market go up and hit to my take profit immediately just for the best. Even you can get the very best goal, but you still need to know patterns if that currency pair having the signals like bending orders or exact reason why it come trading is the hardest and longest row. You can see that in the next case you will lose many times and cannot find out the problem.